We generated $30,000 in collected revenue from a single YouTube video. And if you're imagining a viral hit, hundreds of thousands of views, crazy edits, captions flying everywhere, that's not what this was. This video had 121 views, no fancy edits, mediocre audio, zero retention. It broke almost every YouTube best practice you've ever been taught. Yet in under 14 days, it generated more money than most viral channels make in a year. If you're a B2B founder, agency owner, or consultant, listen close. You're not failing on YouTube because your content isn't good. You're failing because you're trying to be a YouTuber when you should be building sales infrastructure. Today, I'm going to break down the exact case study, how we used one middle of the funnel video to shorten a 60-day sales cycle, build instant trust, and convert high-intent viewers into signed contracts. This is the anti-viral YouTube strategy, and it is how high-ticket offers actually work. For content, I help B2B businesses turn YouTube into a predictable revenue system, not a content hobby. Right now, there is a misconception destroying B2B businesses leveraging YouTube as an acquisition system. Most people treat YouTube as a discovery engine. They want reach, they want eyeballs, they want virality. That works if you're selling $20 products. But when you sell 10 to 50K services, your market isn't everyone. It is a small group of very specific decision makers. And the moment you optimize for mass appeal, you dilute the message those buyers actually need to see. So instead of building a channel, we build conversion infrastructure. Asset designed specifically to shorten sales cycle, remove skepticism, make your system obvious, and pre-sell leads before the call. That's exactly what we did for our client, for this client. Our client runs a sophisticated AI outreach agency. His system combines voicemail drops, WhatsApp automations, email sequence, and cold calls. The problem wasn't sales, the problem was time. Outbound leads took 30 to 60 days to close. The prospects were interested but skeptical. They didn't fully understand the system. They didn't trust they didn't trust what they couldn't see. So every call started from scratch. The real goal wasn't traffic, it was shortening sales cycle, reducing friction, making trust automatic. That's where YouTube came in, not as content but as proof. The first video we implemented was a middle of the funnel content, specifically a case study breakdown. Through research, we noticed something important. Results alone are saturated. Every agency shows screenshot or roadmap of their system, and they expect businesses to just trust the deliverables and buy. That approach doesn't work, especially if you're trying to sell to enterprise clients. So to stand out and to attract high quality buyers, we needed to show the system actually running in real time. In this video, we broke down a real client result, walked through the exact system used to generate it, and showed a live demo of the back end logic. There was no over editing, no hype, just mechanics, because high ticket buyers don't trust magic, they trust system. Listen, for the hook, every converting video we build follows this framework, which is pattern interrupt, context, promise, open loop. Why? Because attention span are short. I mean, it is said that the human being's attention span right now is shorter than that of a goldfish, 8 seconds. So we wanted something that is optimized specifically to grab instant attention and also retain them to watch the video from beginning to end. And also, clarity beats creativity every time. In this case, the client didn't follow a flashy hook. Instead, he introduced himself briefly, anchored the video around a real case study, called out that he was under NDA, which boosted his credibility. Then we moved into the body. We visually mapped his entire system on a Miro board. Why? Because the brain processes information sequentially. When prospects can see the roadmap, they stop guessing and start trusting. We intentionally placed a soft CTA earlier because it captures highly engaged viewers before they drop off, and it pre-frames the offer while the video continues providing values. The reason why we used soft CTA was because we wanted to avoid YouTube strike. Because the thing is when you're hard pitching in your YouTube video, you end up getting a strike from YouTube, right? So in order to be on the safer side, we want to make sure that our CTA is weaved in as part of the value we are providing for these people. And also, not only that, the final one is to give prospects a help first option to take action. Now, the way we instructed our client to present the CTA was this. Now, if you like the way the outlook we follow for our client and you want us to replicate this in exact system for your business, you can schedule a call. Then we also asked him to include his deliverables after this, right? To incentivize these people to take action, right? When you're giving out your CTA, you must make sure that you have your deliverables included, because it is your deliverables that can actually incentivize your target audience to take action immediately. People won't take action if there is nothing put aside to incentivize them to take action. That is something, the keynote that you must take. Now, by the way, we also have a done for you offer for those of you who want to use YouTube to scale their business. Now, if you like the way our system works and you want us to implement it for you, simply book a one-word call. Now, here's what is included. Phase one, market intelligence. We'll research your competitors' audience, analyze comment sections to see what people are actually complaining about, extract recurring pain points, and turn those insights into clear messaging we use across your script and funnel. Now, phase two, which is channel infrastructures. We optimize your banner for conversion, rewrite your channel's description to capture leads, choose the right feature video, and structure your links so every viewers know exactly what next to do. Now, phase three, which is content production and strategy. We handle your video editing, thumbnail design, come up with conversion focused script, build a monthly video roadmap, and set up an AI avatar so recording content becomes faster and frictionless. Now, this is mainly for people who have no time to record at all, but they just want to leverage YouTube as one of an acquisition system to generate more leads or more sales for their business. Now, the next one is this funnel and lead generation. We build a landing page, create lead magnets, set up a webinar or nurture flow. So basically, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be coming up with lead magnets as well. Also, we always advise our clients to run monthly webinar because this is going to help you to nurture your prospects properly. Like, it's going to help you to create that sense of emotional connection between you and your prospect, right? When you're giving out real value out and giving out a free access to you so that your prospects can ask you some questions in regards to the problem you're solving with your offer. This is going to cause them to trust you more and be most likely to take action to buy whatever thing you throw at them. That is why we always recommend that our prospects to host like a monthly webinar, because monthly webinar helps crystallizes that trust and build that community, that sense of community between our client and their viewers in general, or their target audience or in general. Now, tracking and optimization. This is phase 6. We track ROI, monitor performance, and report exactly what this was working so the system keeps improving over time. Now, we also have like tools designed specifically to track all these things, track ROI, to monitor performance, and also to report exactly what's working on the system to keep the system improving over time. Now, I missed this, which is phase 5, lead intelligence and outreach. Now, we also have like a custom system that detects buying intent in the YouTube comments. Right. Then we also have like a personalized VA that is assigned specifically to some of our clients to reach out to those high intent viewers at the right time, so we can be able to take them to the stage of where they want to buy your offer. So when you want to work with us, we'll have like a personalized VA attached to your YouTube channel, and their job is to check people who are commenting things that make them appear as prospects, so that they can be able to outreach to those people and guide them to book a call with you. Now, this isn't content for views. This is infrastructure designed to turn YouTube into a predictable client acquisition system. Now, back to the video. Now, the live demo. This is where the video separates itself from 99% of case studies. We show the live demo of a system working in real time, because if someone is paying you $20,000 to $200,000, they need to see how it works, what you deliver, that it actually runs in general. You wouldn't buy a car without starting the engine first. Same logic applies here. This single segment eliminated doubt instantly. Like I said earlier, let's say now you're trying to target like enterprise clients, right? Let's say you want to target enterprise client. Only showing a quick flow chart of your system won't sign those people. They are very, very, very intelligent, and also they want proof, right? They want proof that your system can actually help solve their problem. So you have to show them a quick live demo of your system running in real time, the system running in real time, so that they can be able to trust in general, because that's the only way people can buy now, because people are getting more sophisticated and more intelligent. There are so many case studies out there. There are so many people bringing out my robot flow chart, describing some crazy systems and so on and so forth. So in order for you to separate, you just have to show your system running in real time. This is going to help people to trust you and to keep you more, to trust you and to trust you and to throw their money at you in general. Now, the result was 121 views, 11 leads, 5 book calls, 3 closed deals, and $30,000 in revenue. Now, another thing is this sales cycle compressed from 60 days to 14 days. That's a leverage, right? So with this thing that we implemented, which is the live demo in this case study breakdown, we got this result here. This client was the first video, because this was the first video we implemented for this client. But behind it, we have a scalable system to grow the channel and generate massive result over. So with our system, we can take a single YouTube channel and turn it into a client acquisition machine that generates more qualified leads, faster sales calls, and high value deals. And one more point, this is the most important point before I leave. YouTube is the most powerful sales tool available, but only when you stop treating it like a media platform and start treating it like a sales system, right? Now, if you want us to build this for your business from the strategy to execution, once again, there's a link below. Book a one-on-one call with us and let's strategize. If you watch the video from the beginning to the end and liked and subscribe, comment sales on the comment section. Peace.